our channel, Exploring It All. I'm Miraculous Girl. Join me and my dad while we explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, deer and aquarium, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Thanks for watching!
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl. And thank you everyone for joining us here on Exploring It All. So today we are going to be taking a look at another EDC style knife. This is from QSP. I have no idea what that stands for. I probably owe Doc P a thank you for introducing me to this particular knife. This is the QSP Parrot. This particular one is a D2 steel and a G10 handle. So I've already kind of taken a look at this. One thing that was nice about the QSP knives, hey Miraculous Girl. One thing that, come over here and tell us what you think about this knife. This one actually came with an information card. So it has the length of the knife at 7.25 inches. It is D2 steel. It has a G10 handle. It is a liner lock.
This knife? I like the blue.
Right? It's a pretty blue, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think about the weight of this knife? Why don't you hold it?
It's very light.
You think it's light?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's like lighter than, say, this knife?
Yeah.
Really? I think it's heavier.
No, it's lighter.
Huh.
Okay, well,
All right, so this is not a flipper. This is a thumb stud style knife. It is a liner lock. It seems to be fairly centered here. To me, it looks like it's perfectly centered. Some liner locks are not. You have a nice long pocket clip. This it would be a tip up style. It has D2 on the blade right here. I can see it etched in there. I don't see anything on this side. I haven't opened this knife up yet. Like I said, it is a thumb stud. There's a lanyard hole there. It looks like, yes, the pocket clip can be flipped over to the other side, so you can go either side on the pocket clip. Like I said, this is a G10 scale handle. There's a little bit of, you got grooves here, and it's textured. So let's open this up here. Okay, so there's some engraving on the blade there. I like this blade. It's nice. It's shiny. Everything okay there, Miraculous Girl? I heard some wild animals outside. I have the windows open. It's kind of a nice day right now, or evening. So, let's give this knife some cut tests here. You know, this liner lock reminds me a little bit of the petrified fish. It seems to be tapered. It is. It's tapered over. The back side of the blade there is tapered over. Maybe. I don't know if I can get that to focus. This side right here tapers over so that liner lock slides in place there. It looks fairly solid. It is not going anywhere. All right, so let's see here how this cuts. You know what? Look at that. Without effort, it will do curly cues. The length of the blade, that I like that. The Parrot. All right. So let's see. I got some paracord right here. I want to cut my literature. This may be another one. I don't know. That petrified fish was pretty nice. I've been carrying this Victorinox Hunter Pro M, and it's probably needs a strop now because I've been using it, and you can see it's starting to have a little difficulty. I've been using this knife. I've been carrying that, and this thing just. Well, now it's not. Ripping through that. Let's do some paracord here. So, no problems with that. A little push through slice, no problems with that. No problems at all. And we'll do a little pull through here. Again, very little effort. That's impressive. I like it. I moved my mat aside so you can see, because my mat and the handle here are like these same colors. Overall, that is a really nice knife. I really need to, I guess I'm going to have to go through and strop this Victorinox Hunter Pro because it's starting to dull, but I have, like I said, I have been using that. So anyway, hey guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe, tell us what you like, and remember, be nice to each other.